it.
So much of time.
Sorry,
I'm
sorry,
just saying, no. On a serious note, Tehseen, my good friend, is not a member of the Congress party. You should get a Congress spokesperson. You either get a suspended guy, Sanjay Jha,
I'm
or you get this poor chap.
I'm boycotted because this election was fought by the Congress party against the media, not against
BJP. Chap is
BJP.
defending them. इसको इन्होंने लॉलीपॉप भी नहीं दिया आज तक तहसीन को. इतना इसने डिफेंड किया उनको. So I will say something without being interrupted. I didn't interrupt anyone. And now let me tell you the reality. Yes, in Jaunpur there was chaos. Mirzapur there was chaos. What are you going to do? You're going to take to the streets? You're going to kill people? You're going to riot? You're going to call to arms? No, 1 minute. Vivek Silas, you and Akhilesh Yadav belong to a responsible political party. Does it behove of your political party to say that we will counter the results if they are not to our liking and not to our assessment by taking to the streets? Is this your understanding of democracy? Is this your understanding that hum kafan band ke aayenge? No, Vivek, if you have something to say, you say it after I've finished. Okay, don't interrupt. Please. Number 2, Akhilesh Yadav, to my mind, is responsible. I wouldn't put the same sobriquet on Rahul Gandhi or the other chaps. He has run a government. He is in opposition in the largest state of the country. Tell me, is this what you want India's democracy to be known as? That losers spoil sports, then take to the streets, give a call to rioting, give a call to arms, give a call to saying kafan band ke aao? What kind of discourse is this? Is this your belief in democracy? You should be ashamed of yourself. Because it is the same democracy that has made Akhilesh Yadav who he is, that made his father who he was, that has made his wife who she is. She was an MP or will be an MP again, I hope. Is this what you want India's democracy to be known as? That where a bunch of people who lose then overnight turn into people who ask the common people to vote, to revolt? We are not living in Nazi land. We are not living in wartime. This is a democracy. You don't like the process, go complain to the Election Commission. You don't like the Election Commission, go to the courts. You don't like the courts, leave India. Because where else can you go? You can't expect the common man to bear the brunt of violence. For God's sake, it is the most ridiculous argument. That's number 1. Number 2, and this is where, Navika, it'll get dangerous. Every newspaper, every international magazine will start carrying articles saying the death of democracy. And they will say, Narendra Modi, fascist ruler, when the results went against the opposition, he locked them up. You tell me, what is Narendra Damodar Das Modi supposed to do? Let us common people be killed by people who don't like an election result? Let me tell you what will happen in Bengal. I'm from Bengal. I have a lot of love and respect for Mamata, and I will always say this publicly. I think she's a good human being. But Bengal has always seen the post-poll violence of the kind that is unimaginable. When you say these things, you actually, in a subtextual manner, encourage people who may not have ever resorted to violence to resort to violence. My objection is not to the fact that you have an objection to the results. Of course you may. You may believe that the entire electoral process is rigged. Rahul Gandhi believes that EVMs are ridiculous as long as they don't come and talk about Himachal or Karnataka. But my point is, why would you want to thwart India's democracy?
Absolutely.
India's democratic
Absolutely. When your stated agenda in this election was about saving the democracy. Vivek Silas, you wanted to come in and then Tehseen.
Just 10 seconds.
Okay. No, I will also respond.
Okay. Suhail Sethji right now said the death of democracy. But the death of democracy was in Chandigarh. That is what the Supreme Court said. What the Bharatiya
And the Supreme Court gave the judgment on it. So things work in this country.
And the second point what is said, that Akhilesh Yadav ji is responsible. Akhilesh Yadav ji is responsible for what? That is what I want to know.
No, he's a responsible human being.
If we are protecting our EVM, because we don't trust them.
Our EVM?
Yes, we don't trust them.
अरे वो तो faulty EVM है. Our EVMs हो गए. Okay, Tehseen, what is your objection?
Sohail, I didn't interrupt. I expect the same courtesy.
Vivek, you went to the Supreme Court.
Sohail, I expect the same courtesy from you.
Cracked the government on the knuckles. Everyone was happy. Did you or did you not go to the Supreme Court? You went to the Supreme Court. I'm saying, Vivek, if you have a problem with these results, The courts are
Let the results come out
place
first,
of
yeah.
recourse.
allow me.
But
Well,
you
the
cannot
results
make
Of course, let the results come out, but then why did Akhilesh Yadav make the statement today is the question.
Why did he make the
Tehseen,
statement?
okay,
Sohail,
Tehseen
this
is
the
coming
same
in.
courtesy I gave you.
Yes.
I'm very glad Sohail, my friend, and he has a lot of love for me, is not letting his fantastic education come in the way of his ignorance. So Sohail, please hear me out. The BJP cannot win in Punjab and Telangana, even though there may or may not be a problem, because people will come to the
Karnataka?
streets. In Karnataka, the Congress is on
Himachal?
record. I'm answering that. Please allow me. In Karnataka, the Congress is on record
How do
saying,
you know this?
please redo the
Because
election
my
with ballots and the
education
Uttar
is
Pradesh with
fantastic. I am
ballot. The
letting
Congress
my
will still win
ignorance
Karnataka.
come
BJP
across.
won't win
Follow
Uttar
this.
Pradesh with ballot. Allow me one line and I'll end. Sohail, you very unfair of you. In
Let
Ayodhya,
me
Sohail,
tell
come
you,
on.
let me tell
Sohail,
you
you don't
how
like
my
me interrupting.
education-
You must give me the same
You
courtesy.
commented,
In
I
Ayodhya,
never
Sohail, come on.
commented on your education
Sohail,
or
come
your
on.
lack of it.
Sohail,
But
Sohail,
since you
come on.
commented on my no. You
No,
commented
Sohail.
on my education. I
No,
never
bro, I
commented
didn't come on your education. I
or
said
the
you have
lack
great
of it.
education.
I
You are
never
giving me
did.
lollipops,
I
bro.
always
I don't like
did.
lollipops.
I always
So-
did. You
No,
just
no,
said,
no. You
just
got
said-
personal,
listen, my
I got
friend,
personal. Cut it
Don't
out
be
here.
Bernard Shaw with me. I've written the books on
I
1001
agree.
insults.
That's what I'm saying. You're
You
very well
said,
educated. Don't let
his
ignorance come in the way,
education,
bro.
fantastic education,
You got
or
personal with
it's
me on
ignorance.
lollipop. Don't
So now I'm
lollipop me,
telling
I
you
won't
where you're
educate you.
ignorant.
Don't
I'm only
lollipop me,
saying
I
this,
won't
Tehseen.
educate you,
I'm
bro.
only
Let's
saying
keep
this,
that
Tehseen.
straight.
One thing.
Of lollipops and education, let's
Let's
come
keep
to
that very
the...
straight between us, bro.
Okay,
Absolutely
all
not.
right.
Any objection?
Lollipops and education is a debate for another day, but let me ask Harshvardhan Tripathi.
Love, yaar.
I also love you, bro.
You love.
Oh,
I also love
please,
you. I'm saying don't
please,
we have
we
a
are-
romance going on.
You
but
know,
that does not
please,
mean you tell me about lollipops.
you can bro yourselves, you can bro yourselves on a private call outside the studio. But Harshvardhan Tripathi, the question tonight is, are there problems? Do you have forums to take these questions there? आपको अगर ईवीएम मिले हैं, आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन से. इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको ना रिस्पॉन्स दे या ना आपके साथ न्याय करे, तो आप बिल्कुल उठा सकते हैं वो मुद्दे. लेकिन आप अगर कहें कि 150 डीएम्स को फोन किया गया है, प्रेशराइज किया गया है, और उसके बाद प्रूफ के नाम पर नील बटे सन्नाटा, तो क्या कहेगी ये दुनिया कि ये जबरदस्ती का एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया जा रहा है पूरे चुनाव के प्रोसेस पे. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, 150 डीएम को आपने एक चुटकी में टोटली बता दिया कि ये सारे ट्विस्टेड हैं, ये सारे जो हैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है, जबकि वो 50 डिग्री के टेम्परेचर में इस देश में चुनाव करवा रहे हैं. क्या किसी को यह हक बनता है कि उनकी इज्जत इस तरह से क्वेश्चन किया जाए? और तीसरी बात यही है कि ये कहते हैं कि अरे कल चुनाव का नतीजा आने दो, तो आज से कफन क्यों बांधा हुआ है? क्यों इस तरह के कॉल्स जनता को दिए जा रहे हैं ताकि कल को अगर सवाल करने हो या कुछ अनरेस्ट करना हो तो जनता पहले से ही तैयार रहे कि भाई ये फेयर इलेक्शन नहीं है?
नविका जी, मुझे लगता है कि अपोजिशन जो कर रहा है वो सचमुच डेमोक्रेसी के लिए बहुत खतरनाक है. अपोजिशन अगर कल को नहीं रहेगा तो ये लोकतंत्र के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. और जो वो करते दिख रहे हैं उसमें मुझे अपोजिशन का रोल बिल्कुल गायब होता दिख रहा है. सिक्किम में अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की इतनी ताकत होती तो कोई एक डीएम तो अमित शाह की सुन लेता और कम से कम एक सीट तो दिला देता. सिक्किम में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सिंगल सीट नहीं मिली. मिर्जापुर में स्ट्रांग रूम जो आनंद ने अभी बताया 3 लेयर सिक्योरिटी में रखे हुए हैं, बाकायदा डीएम उनका इंस्पेक्शन कर रहे हैं, एएसपी की अगुवाई में 1000 से ज्यादा पुलिस फोर्स उसको निगरानी कर रही है. वहां समाजवादी पार्टी के लोगों ने हंगामा किया लेकिन ऐसी कोई भी बात नहीं मिली कि स्ट्रांग रूम की तरफ कोई भी ऐसी मुश्किल हुई हो. पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज है, पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज के एक हिस्से में बाउंड्री टूटी हुई मिली जिसको लेकर समाजवादी पार्टी ने हंगामा किया. बीच में नहीं बोलते, बीच साइलेंस. नहीं, आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए. और अफवाह फैलाते हैं. 2019 के इलेक्शन में भी इसी तरह से पुरानी ईवीएम, खराब ईवीएम, रिजर्व ईवीएम, कहीं रखी ईवीएम, कहीं की पुरानी वीडियो निकाल के उसको इसी तरह से प्रोपेगेट करने की कोशिश की गई थी. शाहीन बाग के समय क्या हुआ, सीए विरोधी आंदोलन में क्या हुआ, फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट में क्या हुआ, और ये सब कुछ होता रहा और अपोजिशन की क्रेडिबिलिटी घटती चली गई. डेमोक्रेसी में आपको जनता के वोट का सम्मान करना चाहिए. विपक्ष जनादेश का अपमान कर रहा है. जो लोग 64-65 करोड़ लोग इस धूप में
50 डिग्री की धूप में खड़े होकर कतार में लगकर वोट दे रहे हैं, उनको और कह रहे हैं कि कफन बांध लीजिए। अरे भैया, इतना बढ़िया अगर अपने वर्कर्स को, अपने वॉलंटियर्स को चुनाव के पहले थोड़ा चार्ज अप कर दिया होता तो शायद आज जो एग्जिट पोल दिखा रहा है या कल जो एग्जैक्ट पोल आए, थोड़ा तो कुछ अच्छे नंबर आ रहे होते।
Anand Ranganathan, I once again want to ask you, is this once again a reminder of a Trump-like situation that this mandate is stolen? Is that narrative being, already made up in backrooms of the opposition political party?
Hey, 1 minute. I want to ask you,
Navika, very
tomorrow,
quickly, 3 points.
Something happened. One minute, Anand. Sorry, just half a second. And I just want to ask Anand, all the panelists, only one question, serious question. Tomorrow, let's imagine, khuda na khasta, something untoward happens. There is a riot or there is violence, some people die. On whose doorstep will the blame rest? A, B? And who will be responsible for that blood? Just tell me.
No one's given a call for violence.
बलिदान देने के लिए
Sacrifice my
तैयार।
money, sacrifice my time. मैं समय
कफन कौन बांधता है?
समय का कफन